The goods must be delivered today. Huh? What's that sound? Oh no! It's Tyrannosaurus Rex! Turn off the engine! Don't let it find me! Oh no! He's found me! Run! Tank! Please help me drive away it! Okay, no problem. Aim! Fire! Tyrannosaurus Rex has escaped! Thank you, Tank. The bridge has been damaged heavily. I'll have to drive more carefully. I need help! I need help! Don't worry, I'm coming! The carriage is overturned. I'll pull you up first. Pull back hard. Finally, we're up. Get over here and fix it. Clean up the broken bridge. Timber truck, pull the wood over here. All right, let's go. Get over here and unload the wood. Hook up a thick one. Let's build the bridge. Hammer it sturdily. My task is finished. I will go back. Transporter, it is fixed. You can drive across. Okay, thank you, Excavator. I have to drive more carefully. Finally cross the wooden bridge. Today we will plant crops. After the land is prepared, it is time to start sowing seeds. I will sow the seeds. Look, the seeds have been planted. The next step is to wait for it to grow slowly. Ooh, crops are all ripe. Let's start harvesting. Bulldozer, you should come to help harvest too. Thank you, Bulldozer. I'm going to continue loading. Transporter got stuck in the mud. I have to save it. I'll see if I can push Transporter out. Still no. We have to think of other solutions. Here are some rocks. There's a way. We can put up some rocks. Transporter, you're feeling up now and moving forward. Oh, Transporter can't get out on its own. I'll go and give it a tug. Yeah, look, Transporter is safe. The fruit tree is unloaded. Let's plant it. Well, the first fruit tree is planted. Oh, look! All the fruit trees are planted. My job is done. Load wood on the carriage. Hook the wood up. Carry it to the carriage. Load it on the carriage. I want to go to the bathroom. Hey! The driver walked away. Nobody around here. I want to steal transporter. Transporter is not full yet.
Bye.
Oh no! My car! Tank! Fire to stop it! Got! It goes away! Hello? My car's been stolen. Okay, we're going after it. Thief, stand! Hey, can you catch me? I'll stop him at the intersection. No, there's a police car ahead. Oh no! Police car is overturned. Don't worry, I help you. Excavator, block the thief ahead. Got it. I'll go right now. Keep chasing him.
Bye.
I stop here to block the thief. Huh! Excavator is here! Uh-oh! Thief, you have nowhere to go! Come here! All right! I'll take the thief back to the police station. You see, I'm going to move this lumber today. Start loading. Huh? Listen! What is that noise? Oh, it's an elephant! Turn off excavator quickly! Don't scare the elephant! Whew, the elephant is gone at last. Did you hear that? What's the noise this time? Oh no! It's a tiger! Shh! We can't let the tiger find us. Ah! is gone at last. You see, the lumber is loaded into the carriage and ready to go. Ready to get to work. Transporter, get over here and load the dirt. The transporter's here. I'm loading it with dirt. Oh, this bucket of dirt spilled out. All right, the carriage is full and ready to go. Transporter overturned. I have to save it. Wow, there's dirt all over the floor. We have to clean it up first. Now try it. Can you turn it over? Still no. There's too much dirt. Go ahead and clean up the dirt. All right, now let's try it again. Finally ride a transporter. I have to get back to work. Look, there's a big pile of wood. Lumber truck, I need you to help me transport them. Now, load the wood into the carriage. I also drive Excavator to help. The carriage is full. It's ready to transport the lumber. good. Lumber truck overturned. I need to clear away the stray wood first. Now pull lumber truck up. Oh, by the way, I have to move the rocks out of the way. Let's put the lumber back in the carriage. We're gonna need some strapping tape to secure it. I have to get the oil drums to the site. Huh? Why is the bridge so broken? I have to drive carefully. Oops, I'm stuck here. More power! Oh no! Help! Help! I flipped! Don't worry, I'm coming to save you. The oil drums are scattered! It's on fire! I had to go over and put out the fire. Put out the fire! Finally! I have to pull transporter up. Come on! Come on! It's done! Excavator, can you help me load the oil drums on the truck? Yeah, no problem. Let me hook up a drum. Put it on the carriage. Oh, here's another one. Put it on the carriage. Oh no! The bridge is still broken. It's dangerous. Don't worry. I'll help you fix the bridge. Let's check what materials we have. Oh, there's a pile of wood. Hook up a piece of wood. Take it to repair the bridge. It's done. You can pass. Okay, thank you. I have to drive carefully or I'll be in trouble. Arrived at the site. Reverse. Unload the oil tank. Here. Finish the task. Bye-bye. Bulldozer, come and help me load the dirt.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! The wheel of Bulldozer fell off. You see, this wheel is broken. Trailer, please get a new wheel over. Okay, no problem. Excavator, new wheels arrive. Okay, I'll move the old wheels first. Lift the new wheels off. We put new wheels on the bulldozer. Bulldozer, you can drive up to have a try.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, the new wheel is broken again. Had to tow back to the repair shop. We lifted Bulldozer onto the trailer. Trailer loaded. Almost forgot, there is a tire. All installed. You can go. Start loading the carriage with dirt. All right, it's full and ready to go. Prepare to reverse to unload the dirt. Next, we have to get the wood there. Start loading wood. it is loaded on the car and can be pulled away. Timber transporter arrives and starts unloading.